Both the batsmen on strike. Sagar is taking strike. Good luck for both the teams. Narendra is on the non-striker end.
क्योंकि क्या लग रहा है आपको?
कुछ नहीं बोल सकते. First ball.
सिंगल रन बाय
Single run.
सागर.
Beautifully balled.
अब तक दिन भर में अभिषेक ने भी अच्छी बॉलिंग डाली है.
बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग डाली है. Sagar, you cannot take Sagar lightly.
Narendra is also playing very well.
Very well. Cannot predict anything right now. Beautiful.
Played for
One
single.
run.
2 ball 2 runs.
Abhishek is able to manage them single.
Now Sagar is on strike.
Limited over match. You have to make sure that extras should be saved.
Oh.
Beautifully hit and
Single
one run.
3 runs saved by Rohan.
Abhishek is
Well
taking
filled.
care to avoid extras, no ball and white balls. Oh,
Wide ball.
finally,
Umpire's call wide ball.
finally able to manage one extra run and extra ball. 1 run. Dot ball. Dot ball here. Abhishek is on fire. Not giving a single.
On strike Narendra.
What? Beautifully managed.
Oh, yes, well
Not
catch.
this match again. Vishal has taken the catch.
Narendra
Very crucial catch.
Out.
This moment, semi-final.
going to dugout.
5 overs match. Unpredicted. Jingles the ball on the air. Opener batsman is out. The man in form is out.
But Sagar Seer is on fire.
Beautifully ball. Single run. No ball. Extra.
ball.
Now, as per the planned strategy of 75 runs, we should have to see more 4s and 6s out of the boundary balls.
Sagar has to play this match very patiently. 5 overs match.
Oh, beautifully. You cannot take Swapnil as well, right? This is semi-final.
Now Sagar is having some chit chat with Aditya.
I think is not able to take the proper ball on the bat.
He is also in pressure. 5 overs match. Already 1 down.
Yeah,
More 4 overs to go.
correct. Every ball is very important here. Limited over. And hit it. 1 run. You cannot.
Oh, missed the ball. It could have run out.
Yeah. Here hit and ball Swapnil.
Well, ball Swapnil beat it to Sagar Ghadigaonkar.
Bowling Swapnil is proving that they have planned to restrict them under 50 and they wants to be there on the plan.
But that is the game. They have more 3 overs to play after this over.
Beautifully ball. Beautifully ball. Not even, the ball is... Ball.
5 balls, 1 to go. 1 to go.
Beautifully ball. It seems like Sagar wants to
After
complete this
two-
over. Anyhow,
After 2 overs, score is 10 for 1 loss. So security and BCP team, after 2 overs, 10 runs, 1 loss.
I think the match is very tough,
Sagar is there on crease. So we can have expectation from Sagar that all 3 overs if he plays,
True. The Pokemon team is not giving a single space to hit hard.
they are not giving any single chance to have 4 and 6s. Huh?
Ah,
Straight down the
finally
ground.
got loose ball.
6.
And in loose ball, you will definitely going to see a big hits.
And that was
Sagar.
hit by Sagar, straight down the ground.
Oh, what was that? What was that? Bold.
Sagar
It's
Ghadigaonkar.
Bold. Sagar has left the ball looking seems like it's a wide, but it's a turn. I remember Bhishan Singh Bedi used to do this way. From the backside, he used to, remove the stumps.
Umesh is the new batsman on strike. He has to play
It's
all
a big
3
wicket.
overs.
It's a
Yeah,
big
it's
wicket.
a big wicket.
Big wicket
loss.
for
BCP
security
IT and
BCP.
security.
Beautifully tried to hit and
Well played by
managed-
Umesh. Single
managed-
run.
Able to manage only one run. They have to work hard to get more on the board. Yes, it again and it's
Well fielding by
Well filled,
Abhishek.
well filled Abhishek.
fielding.
Abhishek has proven himself from his ball, failed, not leaving a single space.
Good shot by Omkar.
So try to hit up and it's gone.
Oh, run out.
It's gone.
Umesh Gurav.
It's gone. Beautiful.
They are losing their wickets very
I know
fastly.
it's a pressurized match. It's a
No,
tough
but they
match.
has to play all 5 overs
Correct,
if they
correct.
want to score more.
One
1 to go.
one ball left. Rishi is on fire now. Yeah, that's
Wide
ball.
ball. One more run added into the scoreboard.
All the crowds are in pressure, tension. Yeah, it's hit and
Boundary.
it's 4.
So it's 23 for 3. 2 overs. 3 overs, sorry.
At the end of 3 overs, it's 23. The targets, which they have to hit 75 runs.
So more 2 overs are there. If they hit some 6s and 4s, they
Yeah.
could have achieved that.
Correct.
In
Because
2 overs, they can have some 30, 40 runs out on the board.
they have to. If they have to, be in a good position. Here it is and
Straight down the
You can
ground.
see.
Good hit. Good hit
still
by
11
Sujit.
balls. The match cannot be
Still-
taken it lightly.
Still 11 balls to go and 29
More 4s and 6s on the board, you can see.
runs on board.
Here it is and
Not out. Umpire decision, not out. So Sujit, you have more 10 balls. 29 run on board.
wide
Wide
ball.
ball.
I think the pressure is also building on the bowling side as well.
Opponent
Right?
side. Yes, Swapnil is in pressure, I think, now.
Here it is. Oh,
Oh, silly mistake.
beautifully fielded.
Sujit wants to keep the strike.
Beautifully fielded. Catches and wickets, run-outs bring the matches. You can see this.
So score is 30.
Oh,
Wide ball.
wide ball.
31. Second last over is going on. 31 run on board.
Try
Single
to
run
hit
comes to 32.
Kiran, I think we have to see, if you have to make a big score, more 4 6s.
So we have some expectation from Sujit and Omkar, who is there on strike.
Trying it hard, but
Oh, it's out.
it's gone. One more wicket.
So next batsman Prashant, 32 run on board, 1 to go. So total 7 balls remains. Let's see what Sujit will do. Sujit can hit.
Yeah.
We can.
Swapnil again. Swapnil on ball.
Last
Good
ball
ball.
to go. Oh,
Beautifully balled.
Prashant has missed the ball and umpire's call is
So
out.
what do you,
Stumping.
something beautiful. Now, who is left now?
So they has to play at least the 6 balls so that they can have at least 6 or 10 runs on board. So scorecard will get
So
more.
the captain
from 32.
Swapnil is
Swapnil.
going to take many expectation from Swapnil and Sujit here. Last over.
Last over to go. 32 run
And
on board.
The ball is with
Loss of
Vivek.
5.
Vivek is trying to take the early wickets in this over. And here goes the first ball and here it is.
One
One run.
shot, but
Good
It
shot,
hit
but
it too
able to
tough.
manage only one run.
Yes, yes.
Good fielding. The fieldings are tough. More pressure on Swapnil now. Here it is.
single run by captain. Single will not do. If they want to have high score, they will have to hit 6 and 4s. Googie, what do you feel?
Yeah, true. Big shots. Here it is. Oh,
Sujit missed the ball again. More 3 balls to go.
More pressure on batting side here.
34 on board on loss of 6.
Wide
Wide
ball.
ball. 35. If he can hit 3 sixes on 3 ball, they can cross 50. Again, oh, no ball was there, but stumped out.
Run out.
Stumped
Seems
out.
more pressures on batting side. Losing wickets. Earlier stages. More wickets.
Ball count.
And tight bowling.
7 loss.
Makes the difference. 7 loss.
35 run. 2 more balls to go.
35 run at the loss of 7 wickets. Here it is trying to hit hard and able to manage only one, and it's through.
No. They are managed into single. Last ball to go. 37 on board.
Here it is, and
While fielding. So it's 38 on board. Opponent team required 39 to win in 30 balls. So security and BCP team managed to have
a ball.
30,
So, team.
36, na? 38.
So,
Yeah.
Swapnil, tough time for you now. Targets you have planned 75 and you are under 50. Under 40, in fact. So, how is your plan of fielding now?
In a league match, second league match, we are 33 scored, and that time we take a match this last ball. So same strategy we have. Okay.
So, Sagar is with the team planning, and both the
Abhishek,
batsmen are
Abhishek,
fine.
Abhishek, Rushi, please.
Rushi.
Abhishek, Rushi, Abhi.
They are not ready to listen.
They want to come in the final, straight away. Abhi,
So, team,
क्या कहना चाहते हो?
you are able to manage them very good as you planned under 50.
One match away.
How is your batting strategy now?
Batting strategy is good. First thing is that we have decided what we have targeted to chase them under 50. So we have done that. So we are trying to finish off in 3 overs only.
Sam, ball please. Sam,
So, good luck, but you know, more
Sam.
confident also kill somewhere. This is semi-final.
Ball,
It's not
ball.
a simple match.
Correct, that's true. But the batsmen what they are playing, it's currently they are in form. So that's the reason we are not in overconfidence, but trying our best to cover it on 3 overs at the max. Thank you, sir.
अभिषेक,
Thank you so much.
आपका परफॉर्मेंस इतना बढ़िया रहा है पूरा दिन भर. आप मैन ऑफ द मैच भी रहे हो. 39 बोर्ड ऑन. तो आपको जीतने के लिए 39 रन करने.
More
क्या
pressures
strategy?
on
30 ball, 39 run. It's achievable.
स्ट्रैटेजी तो ऐसी
more pressure on security and
हल्के में
BCP
नहीं लेंगे
team.
हम लोग 39 भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. अगर 1-2 विकेट गिरेंगे तो हम लोग को भी प्रेशर आएगा, लेकिन ठीक है, हम लोग देखेंगे, अभी आराम से करेंगे.
ठीक है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक अभिषेक.
थैंक यू.
So Abhishek has rightly said 39 is also not so small target. It's a semi-final.
So they have Sagar, Narendra,
The bowling side is also well.
Sujit.
And let's good luck for the match. And both the team are concentrating to stop how much possible they can take it. First ball and first wicket.
First ball, first wicket by Narendra.
I told you this is not will be as simple. Is not going to lose this match. Security and BCB is not going to give up and not
Okay.
going to lose the match so simply.
Still we have Abhishek on crease.
Yeah. So it's a teamwork. I believe every
Yes,
team member
yes,
has
it is
to
a
put.
teamwork.
Like the first ball itself prove that this can be more entertainment. They haven't scored much. They will show by ball and try to
Narendra is
restrict
also
them.
bowled very well. Oh!
Beautifully balled. Beautifully balled.
Well bowled by
Second
Narendra.
ball. Narendra is not able to prove by bat. Now he's trying to prove by ball.
Single. So he has given only single run in 3 balls
3 balls, single, 1 wicket as well.
and 1 wicket, of course. Abhishek on strike. Oh! Single run to Abhishek.
They're trying to keep single runs.
Four
Trying to
balls,
stop
2 runs.
boundaries, bixes.
Even target is also not that much.
Beautiful
Well
fielding.
fielding by Narendra. Well fielding. Well stop.
Well stopped.
He saved
You have
2
to keep
runs.
this momentum till the last ball to win the match.
6 straight down the
One
ground.
loose ball, have to pay heavy price.
And he
Here
has
you have
paid.
seen. One loose ball in a over, have to pay a big price.
1 over, 8 run, 1 loss.
5 ball tied, one loose ball, have
And
to
6
pay a big
run.
price.
So in first 5 ball, it was 1
Three.
run, 2
One
runs.
run, 2 run.
And in last,
Finally.
it is 6.
Correct. Oh,
Wide ball.
white ball, you have to say extras.
Omkar, it is not acceptable in this match now anymore. You will have to bowl very well. Neat and tidy.
White ball, extras,
white
back to
ball
back
again.
wire, 2 runs, 2 extra balls. I think more pressure on Omkar. Here it is, one more wide.
I think he is in pressure.
This is an offside wide, 2 leg wides. More pressure on Omkar. Yeah, hit, 1 run.
Single run.
Actually, extras also save matches. You have to stop these extras, take the catches, wickets. This is it, this is the hit. And
Well fielded by
fielded by
Narendra.
Narendra.
Well fielded. He saved 3 runs for his team
Not able to leave a single chance.
to win the match.
Six. 6.
Wonderful hit.
Pressure. More and more pressure is building on the bowling side, I believe. Yeah. Wide ball.
So Omkar has put 4 white balls in this over.
Yeah, 1 more, 8, it's 4.
Boundary. 4 run.
Oh.
Two balls to go. 2 to go. 2 more ball. Single run. 25 runs on board. 1 to go. Well catch. It's a wicket.
Beautifully,
After 2 overs,
beautifully taken.
25 runs on board. 2 wickets.
Every runs is bringing them to the closer.
Final. Towards final.
Yeah, the ball again, a beautifully ball, and it's out. As
It's out.
Swapnil now, the voice of Swapnil is coming out from his mouth. He was in a tense. I believe the pressure
Next
is started
batsman,
building on
Vivek.
the batting side now.
Still Abhishek is there on crease and he is on non-strike. If we get the strike,
It's the striker is to keep him on the non-striker end. Yeah, it's it and properly.
well fielded, single run. Well bowled by Narendra.
Good hit by Vivek, but able to manage only single run here.
Oh, well
One
bowled.
run.
Again, well bowled by Narendra. Well bowled. 2 to go. 27 run on board. Single run. Abhishek is playing his game very smartly. It's not
Smartly,
hitting.
he knows that the targets is not big. He has to be there on the pitch. Somebody has to. Oh, beautifully.
So 3
Narendra
overs,
managed.
28 runs. For 3 over. 28 run, boss. 28 runs, 3 overs.
12 ball, 11 run. It's ball to ball. And they have to. Security team has to, if they have to be in this game, they have to be tightly ball. This is Sagar's over. Second last over. And this over is very crucial of the match. Here it goes. And
Directed.
Beautifully directed and it's
And
gone.
out. Well hit.
Abhishek is gone. Yeah, 11 ball, 11 run. Ball to ball.
Very much important wicket. Abhishek, who is on fire since morning.
Is under pressure. It's
11 balls, 11 runs to go. Vishal is the next batsman. Sagar is also bowling well, very well.
He has to. If he has to bring the match. Here it goes.
Oh, misfield.
Oh.
Misfield. We can't expect it.
At this moment, Miss Fieldings has to pay a big price here.
And they pay 4 runs.
4 runs.
Now only 7 runs needed. Oh, 6.
Gone. Gone is the match.
Only 1 run
Good
needed
luck, good luck, good luck.
to clear the way to final. Only 1 run needed.
One run left. Extra
Wide
and
ball
the match
and-
is over.
Procurement has won
Procurement
the match.
Is in final now.
He's in final.
Is in final. Beautifully played.
Sandesh, captain.